Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for subscribing, and to my old subscribers, what's up girls? Anywho, I want to go ahead and get into this video right quick. Today we are going to be reviewing the Outre Timeless Premium Multi-Blend Ponytail Afro Medium, and this is in the color number 1. They do have a Afro large and an Afro small. I went ahead and got the medium because I have a peanut head and I was scared that if I got the large, it would just like engulf my head. And I was afraid if I got the small, it would be too little. So I went ahead and got the medium. And I like the medium, but now I want the small because this is just too goddamn cute. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into how I created this look. So stay tuned. How the ponytail looks. This is a drawstring, which I love because I have encountered some Afro puffs where there is no drawstring, there's one comb, and it just doesn't stay on my head at all. So this does have 2 combs. It has one comb in the front, and then it has another comb in the back, if you guys can see that. And then you can see the drawstring that's attached. Oh my God, the texture of this hair is everything, you guys. It is so pretty, it's curly. I did not want an Afro puff drawstring ponytail that wasn't curly because my hair texture is this texture right here. So I wanted something that would at least match my hair texture. It wouldn't look like strange on my head. So this was perfect. They do come in an array of colors. I got this from latesha-kharizma.com, and it was, I believe it was only like $9. They're not no more than 10, I know that for sure. You can also find these in your beauty supply, but when I went looking for mine, they were sold out, and that's why I went ahead and bought it online. But I would really stress that you get the Outre Timeless Ponytail. There are a lot on the market that are Afro puffs, but they don't look anything like this ponytail. So if I were you guys, if you cannot find it in your local beauty supply, I would definitely go ahead and just order it offline. Like I said, I got this from shop.com, and I will be leaving links down below. Now let's get into how I got this look. I just went ahead and put my hair in just a regular ponytail. As you can see, just swooped it up, put it in the ball. I didn't want to put a low ponytail because I was afraid of how that might look. See how it looks a little bit too long? I think I might need the small for that, but it's your preference if you want a low ponytail or a high ponytail. It's up to you. The front of my bun, and then I'm attaching the back comb to the back of the bun, and I'm just pulling the drawstring tight. And I'm gonna wrap the drawstring around the Afro puff, just for added security. I don't use bobby pins for that. I'm kind of kneeling down because I want y'all to see this whole thing. And if I get too close, you can't see. And that's pretty much it. And I mean, look how bouncy it is. It's so cute, right? That is so cute. But yeah, go to hairsupplyshop.com. They're on other wig websites as well, but I'm just going to link down below where I got mine from. It was $9 to $10, I believe. They come in an array of colors, and once again, this is a drawstring ponytail, and it's so cute for any season. Any season you can rock this. So oh my God, I'm just in love with this. So yeah, you guys go ahead and pick that up. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. My face will be popping up somewhere around the screen. And also click that thumbs up button if you approve that I gave you great quality content today. I would really appreciate that. And until next time, dolls, I'll see you guys. Bye.